This is Overstrand, Norfolk. This is the Apex with the Reaper coil. Let's see how we go. Welcome to the Sifter Holiday abode. Quick guided tour of the place and the views. It's very special to us. We've been coming here for several years now. A bench here, fantastic for a cup of tea first thing in the morning. Have a look out, see what the sea is doing. And yep, a great place. Anywho, thanks for joining me. This is mainly going to be a bit of a tour of Overstrand. Nice views, a bit of scenery, a trip across the ferry path, and if you stick with me right at the end, there's just a tad, just a smidge of detecting. So thanks very much for joining us, and hope you like the views and sounds of Overstrand in Norfolk. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. I've got the whole beach to myself, bar one person. And he's jogging out there somewhere, so hopefully we won't bump into him. Anywho, it's city o'clock, got up about 5:20. It's the last day of the holiday at Overstrand, Norfolk. I did plan on doing a bit of detecting yesterday, but it gusseted down and then the tide was in and it all went pear-shaped. I thought I'd get up and get on the beach, just give the old Apex with the Reaper coil a bit of a thrash on Overstrand Beach. It's a lovely beach, not very well used at the moment, should I say, because the weather isn't that brilliant. I know where the people have been sitting. I'm just going to have a waz up and down where the people have been sitting and just hope I can collect a bit of spendable, or maybe, you never know, a ring or something. So thanks for joining me. This is Overstrand, Norfolk. This is the Apex with the Reaper coil. Let's see how we go. This is the Apex. I'll be in multi-salt mode, 0 setting, iron off, and here is the Reaper. It may or may not be out at the moment, but we'll give it another go. We're going to be heading down that way just for 2 or 3 bays, and we'll see how we go. Let's get on with it. Really enjoying this Apex. After the update, super quiet, and the Reaper coil just takes it to another level. I do question whether the machine's on. But no, it is good on the beach, very stable, no chatter. Well, to be fair, I didn't really expect to find anything, and it's proven me right. There's a few odd bits and beeps and bops, but there's a lot of stuff being washed up here. There's quite a bit of cliff erosion, and I'm fairly near the breakers, so. But there you are, it's a nice day. It's about 6:15. Unfortunately, it's time to go home day today. So there you go. Do a bit of detecting, get packed, go home. Just a single bleep there. I'm near the breakers, so it's not going to be anything. There, fantastic. Really like Overstrand. Beach is just fantastic. You have to go out, I don't know, 200-300 yards to get to about waist height. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So anyway, it's very short, brief, and to the point, where you find nothing. But the tide's been in. It's on the way out again. So there you go, fruitless but enjoyable. Right, believe it or not, there's a bit of a area washed away there. There's a sort of footpath which sort of starts, then it's been washed away, and someone's done a bit of paving to make it good. It's a bit dodgy, but the kids call it the fairy path. So here's a quick speeded up view of a quick trip across the fairy path. Well, just a quick one before we start the pack. Nothing really, just some scraps of detritus, nothing major. Didn't really expect it, but just nice to get out really. It's now about 7:15, 7 o'clock, and still nobody about. It's really nice down there, and if I swing around, I've walked up on the beach and up on the cliff is where we were staying for the week. So I'll just spin you around. There's no way you're going to see that, but sort of yay is where the bench is, and this is the view from the bench. Absolutely fantastic. The beach, although a little bit more stony this year, is fantastic. Overstrand, highly recommended. So I'm going to make my merry way back, and we'll see you all maybe on the land as the old crops are getting cut. And don't forget, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell and tick all, and you'll get a notification every time I go live and a new video. Thanks for joining me. Catch you real soon.